Are we going all in on China? What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update. It is 12:40 Eastern Time, and I'm doing a midday update because something's going on out there. And again, I think once again we saw a tip-off from the grain markets as they sold off early. And of course, the equities followed. I'm willing to bet that there is an announcement or news coming out of China saying that our deal that we talked about last week that put the market up 1,000 points is kind of falling apart. We'll see, but I always warn about getting so excited about potential news based on one item. It's like some of these big takeovers. Sometimes they fall apart and everybody's left holding the proverbial bag. So we'll see. In the meantime, the markets are under pressure after Friday's blow-off. The sell-off is not a surprise. And certainly, yes, we're down 300 right now on the Dow. But 300, we were up 330 on Friday and up more than that on Thursday. So I don't put a lot into it. Let's see if there's some follow-through. To me, I would guess there'll probably be a rally. On my Monday night call, I guaranteed a sell-off in the next couple of days. And maybe this is the sell-off. Again, that doesn't mean that it's not going to go all the way back tomorrow or the day after. But you can see when markets do certain things and you watch the market footprint that a sell-off was kind of foreseen. You know, when you saw that late kick Friday, you know, really the action from about 2 minutes to 4 to 4:15 was really powerful and heavy on volume. So that could have been a temporary blow-off, which would bring some selling pressure in. Again, we'll see. Again, we're not going to get overcommitted unless I get committed one way or the other from here. Okay. Again, you're talking about nothing in the big scheme of the rally we were seeing. We've seen over a 14% rally. So a 1% sell-off is not what we're looking for yet. So we will get a better grip once we can see more of the action. And again, I would say there's going to be news coming out from China at some point today, and it could accelerate the markets to the downside, or this could be false rumors that could actually turn the markets around. I think we'll close lower than we are at the moment. Again, but I don't see a disaster. But if you watch the VIX, the VIX is popping nicely higher. So again, that's another sign telling you, take a look at the Treasury bonds. They're up 22 ticks. That's a big move in the Treasury bonds. Another thing telling you there's some fear out there. The dollar is holding up, which is another. So these are all things that are indicating there might be just a little bit of fear out there. We'll see how it plays out. The gold markets are just hovering back and forth over the unchanged line, but they are holding our support level perfectly. Oil is getting pounded. It did rally back about 50 cents, but still down about $1.60. And again, we look for oil to go back into the 40s. So we'll see how that plays out. The meats are mixed. Hogs are about flat, and feeders and fats are a little bit lower. Grains are lower, except for wheat is up a little bit, but they've all come substantially off their highs. The cryptocurrencies are holding up. So again, we're seeing basically the same story, but we are seeing a little bit more volume today. We are seeing a little bit more volatility today, which means there may be some trading coming here. So again, I think that you will hear news coming out later. Let's see what that's going to bring us. And of course, any rally now back into that resistance level, again, we'd look to be potential sellers at 2,700 in the S&P. We're obviously far away from there right now. So let's see how the action trades out. Again, it's our first day back after a holiday yesterday. Let's let the news play out. Let's see if this is true volume and if the volatility is going to hold. And then we'll look to get more aggressive into this market. But for now, watch for the news. Watch the VIX. Let's see how it trades out from here. We'll see you back here tomorrow with more of Bubba's Daily Update. Todd Horwitz. Don't forget about Gold is a Better Way. That's our book from our friend Adam Barata. If you'd like to get a copy for free, all you have to do is go to bubbatrading.com/gold. And of course, if you'd like to help us with our high school program, you can go to Patreon, patreon.com/BubbaTrading. That's patreon.com/BubbaTrading. Have a great trading day. We'll see you back here tomorrow with more of Bubba's Daily Update. Have a great day, buddy. We'll see you later.